Okay, now let's take a look at some actual websites and see what we're talking about in regard to keywords and other things like descriptions and titles. Now if you go up here in Firefox to View and then come down to Page Source, you're going to see all of the programming that was written that created this web page. And you can do this with any web page on the internet. Okay. Now if you're using Internet Explorer instead of Firefox, here's Explorer, and you just go over here to Page and then down to View Source. Okay. Same thing will happen. Alright, so let's take a look here. First of all, we're going to need a good title for our website. And if you look right here, you'll see title. Okay? We've got the name of the website, film production investments, and then the rest of the title. Now where did this title come from? Where did these words come from? Well, they came from our keywords, which you'll see right here, keywords. Okay? These are all our keywords. And others, as you can see. Got about 15 keywords. Okay? So, what we want to do is we want to get as many keywords, keyword phrases, as we can into our title and still have it make sense from an English language standpoint. The title is the first thing that Google sees, and the object of what we're doing with these titles, descriptions, and keywords is we're trying to tell Google exactly what this website is about. Okay? That way, when somebody is looking for exactly this type of information that we have on this page and on this site, Google will be able to pull this information out of their database, and we will hopefully show up on the first page of the Google search results. So, film production is one of our keywords. So we have production company, and we have production company right here. We have film producer. Film producer is one of our keywords here. Okay. We have film funding right here, and if we look right here is one of our keywords, film funding. So we're able to get 3 keyword phrases into our title. Okay. Then we have a description right here. Temple Hart Films provides funding for film producers and is a movie production company engaged in film production and film investment. The description could be a little bit longer if we wanted it, but we've got a lot of keyword phrases in here, and it's a very exact description of what this website is about. So I like the way this reads right now. And we've got funding and film again in here. We've got film producers. We've got movie production company, film production, film investment. Okay, these are all keyword phrases that we're using, and they're in the description as well. Okay, so this is what you want. You want to be very consistent. Now, in addition to having all of this information on the back end of the website, we also want to have it be on the front end or on the actual pages itself. So we're going to want to have information that's similar to the keywords. We want to have the keyword phrases show up somewhere in the different pages and the text that we have on these pages. Okay? And we're looking for words like films, investors, film and theater industry. They do theater as well. Anything to do, here's film again. Because if you have all of these keyword phrases on the back end of your website and you do not have them on your pages somewhere, then Google is going to disregard your website. Okay, they want to see the same phrases or words on the pages as on the keywords, because what people used to do years ago to try to fool the search engines is they would do searches for whatever were the biggest search phrase, keyword phrases in the world. It didn't matter what industry or what business it was in, and then they would put those keywords on the source page, as I just showed you, and their websites would rank higher because a lot of people were looking for these particular keyword phrases. Now, their product or service had nothing to do with those keyword phrases, but they were getting a lot of traffic and they would get some business out of it. And so what Google